Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free TikTok followers. So here we have a random account. We're going to be downloading an app called TikTok++. So on this app it allows us, here let me show you. Once we open it, it looks exactly like TikTok because it's the same interface, but you can basically have the ability to add followers. So look, have random, let's just name this account Travel Addiction. Let's follow a couple people. Oh, we got a few followbacks, okay. But look, okay, so now we have nothing. Like, this account is freshly made account. We can add. Like, you can keep adding, you can get as many followers as you want. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how we're gonna do this. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Go to General, go to About, and you want to look at the iOS version. You can see the iOS version is 13 or 16.3.1. As long as the iOS version is above iOS 11, it will work. So once you have that, we're going to go back here, go to background app refresh, and you want to make sure that your background app refresh is on. Whether it is Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. You want to make sure that your low power mode is off, especially when you're downloading. But once you're done downloading, you can turn it back on while using the app. Last thing is in Safari. In Safari, you want to scroll down and you want to go to Advanced JavaScript. You want to make sure that JavaScript is on. Even if you are using something like Google Chrome, go to the Advanced Settings and turn that on. Once you have all these things, you're going to go to your web browsing app of choice. For us, it's Safari. You're going to go to globetweak.com. Go and look for the app. For us, it's TikTok++. Hit allow. General. VPN device management, install. Install. Once it's installed, we can leave back here, and then we can swipe up. There you go. TikTok++, very simple, very straightforward, and yeah, without further ado, hopefully this was a helpful video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have any troubles, just rewind, try